Good morning. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Josh and I'm the client-side PM for this Urraween Village project here in Hervey Bay for accessible homes. And whilst you might be more familiar with the faces of Tom, Tim and Jace, and they're a lot better looking than I am, I'm going to steal the limelight from them today while I'm up here for a claim inspection and just show you around the site at a time that I think is quite interesting because we're at a cross-section in program for 3 different lots and 3 different stages. So I think it's going to be really interesting to go through each of those lots and see how each of the rooms progress at different stages in construction. So come along with me and we'll run through them. So I'm standing up at the entrance of the site here, and I think this is a good place to start because I'll give you an overview of how the site is laid out, the lot numbers, so you have some reference to what I'm talking about as I go through each of these villas. So as you come in on the left here, you have lot 4 and lot 3, which is currently getting built. Lot 5 is on the right here. And in the distance, back here, we've got lot 1 on the right and lot 2 on the left. So lot 2 is currently at about 95% complete. We're just finalising the finishing touches around the building. Lot 1 is about 80% complete and lot 3 here is about 60% complete. So as we go through them, I think it'll be interesting for everyone to see the changes in each of the villas so that you can see how construction progresses. But while we're here, currently we're redesigning the internal layouts here for the car parks. As it stands, the design actually has a few walls separating lot 1 and lot 2 in the back here, but we've had an idea that I think could be better by changing the wall layouts to be a little bit more open and provide that community feeling. And we'll push the gates to the front of the site here and just open all of this up internally. So lot 3 has finished all of the framing. Plasterboard's gone in, rough-in's gone in, and we're looking at painting and finishing these floors in the next couple of weeks. We've got a number of doors to fix in, but that is going to be the last of the hardware, aside from the joinery of the kitchen and the bathrooms. So your kitchen's going to be here. You can see the plumbing point and the rebate there and the water supply and things like that. You've got your electricity supplies all roughed in. Over here is going to be some joinery, which is cupboards and your liturgy panels all on the top there. And for those of you that don't know and probably picked up as well, there's different coloured plasterboard in each of these rooms. In the bathrooms, you've got blue, your plain colours here, and then yellow on this main dividing wall. The yellow is actually your fire-rated wall, and the blue is your waterproofing, which makes sense why that's on the dividing wall and the waterproofing's in the bathroom. In the next couple of weeks, the guys are going to be waterproofing all of this with the blue stuff, getting that in, leveling it, tiling it, finishing it, and hopefully before Christmas we have this lot caught up with lot 1. So we're in a lot 1 villa now, which is about 80% complete. You can see painting's on, the doors are starting to go in, waterproofed wet areas and the grouts down, starting to get some of the joinery in. It's our spare bathroom, all waterproofed. Kitchen joinery already starting to go in. Might need to update the program now, the guys are ahead of me. But we've got our adjustable bench tops there, which is great. Fridge cavities, microwave and oven cavities, the pantry there. Great big outdoor patios, the cabinets with your liturgy systems, and then a nice big multi-purpose room in here. We've got a study. So let's jump to lot 2. Where I'm standing now is at the very bottom end of the site in the barbecue area. So for those of you that know, the rail trail runs all the way along here, which we've got a great view of up here. We're going to have some plantings, some grass, nice open plan living. We've got a big barbecue for everyone to use, great lights and fans so that we can operate throughout summer and at night time. All outside of our community space, which has got a big communal kitchen, massive TV and some bathroom amenities in here. But it's also got a gym inside this room. I can't take you in because we've locked the doors. But there's a great big space in there, air conditioned, all outside of this communal space for everyone to use. So as I walk around the corner here from the barbecue area, past the pool, we can enter into one of these Lot 1 villas, which I'm hoping Nath has left the door open for me. He has. Champion. So inside you can see the final finishes. We've got really nice flooring done. All of our fixtures are in, like our air con fans, light switches. We've got our security screens. Beautiful finished bathrooms. Guest bathroom, multi-purpose room on our left, and into the dining, living room and kitchen areas. So those of you that didn't come to the event, you may not have seen this all finished now. We've got our self-adjustable bench heights. They raise and fall just with a little turn of a key. Finished patios outside, some storage cupboards which have the Liturgy panels in here. There we go. Everything here is ready to switch on. We're just waiting for the completion of Lot 1 and Lot 3. So hopefully one of you lucky recipients will get this villa.